Well, it's Edub. I'm in Port Mellon today, and I'm in a windstorm. So I'll give you a look at what a Squamish looks like. A Squamish wind. We got white caps from here all the way to Furry Creek. These Squamish winds, they come right from the plateaus in BC. They come down through the Whistler Valley and the Chickamoose Valley, Chekai Valley, and then down through the Squamish. And they're just funnels out and down through, down into Howe Sound here. And it just makes a mess of everything. We've got whales in town. Black and white whales. So those are killer whales. And a fun fact about a killer whale is a killer whale is not a whale at all. A killer whale is actually part of the dolphin family or the porpoise family. So there you go. There's a fun fact. There's a whale right there. There's two whales right there. There's three whales right there. Three whales. A mama, papa, baby whale. And like I said, they're really dolphins. A dolphin has that fin, that shark fin looking thing, and a whale doesn't. So there you go, those are fun facts.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.